Struggling to make changes to a PDF on your MacBook? Let me show you the easiest way to do it. First, open the PDF file using Preview, the default app on your Mac. Click on the markup icon at the top. It looks like a little pencil inside a circle. Now you can add text, highlight sections, or even draw shapes directly on your PDF. Want to add your signature? Click the signature icon to create or insert it instantly. Once you've finished editing, go to File and select Save. And your changes are applied. Easy, right? If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.